Good morning, class 10. Today we will start chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. Now, the distances and the heights can be found by using some mathematical techniques which come under a branch of mathematics called trigonometry. The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek word tri, its meaning is three, gon, its meaning is sides, and the matron, its meaning is measurement. In fact, trigonometry is the study of relationship between the sides and the angles of the triangle. Now, most of the technologically advanced methods used in engineering and physical sciences are based on the trigonometrical concept. In this chapter, we will study some ratios of the sides of a right triangle with respect its acute angles. Actually, we will deal with only the right triangles and we will take the trigonometric ratios with respect to the acute angles. And these ratios are called trigonometric ratios of the angle. We will restrict our discussion to the acute angles only. However, these ratios can be extended to the other angles also. We will calculate trigonometric ratios for some specific angles, means for 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and establish some identities involving these ratios, and these are called the trigonometric identities. Now, trigonometric ratios. Our first topic is trigonometric ratios. Now see, this is a right angle triangle ABC in which angle B is 90 degree and this is angle C and this is angle A. And the side opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse. And if I am taking A for the angle and AB as a side, so I can consider AB as base and A is base angle. So for this, BC will be perpendicular and AB is base. You have studied the concept of ratio in your earlier classes. Now, here we will define some ratios involving the sides of the right angle triangle and we will call them trigonometric ratios. The trigonometric ratios of the angle A. Here I am taking base angle as A in the right angle triangle ABC, and these are defined as, actually there are 6 trigonometric ratios: sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant and cotangent. These are 6 trigonometric ratios, and the sine of angle A, that is equal to the side opposite to the angle A by hypotenuse, and the side opposite to the angle A is perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is sine of angle A. Here, sine of angle A means sine is a function which is applying on angle. So, we will read it sine of angle A. That is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Same, cosine of angle A is equal to base by hypotenuse. Tangent of angle A is equal to perpendicular by base. Cosecant of angle A is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular. Secant of angle A is equal to hypotenuse by base, and cotangent of angle A is equal to base by perpendicular. Now see here for cosecant, secant, cotangent, what is written here? Cosecant of angle A is equal to 1 by sine of angle A. It means cosecant is reciprocal of sine and sine was perpendicular by hypotenuse, so the cosecant is hypotenuse by perpendicular. Same, secant of angle A is equal to 1 by cosine of angle A, and cosine of angle A is equal to base by hypotenuse. Therefore, secant of angle A is equal to hypotenuse by base. And cotangent of angle A is equal to 1 by tangent of angle A, and tangent of angle A is equal to perpendicular by base. So, cotangent of angle A is base by perpendicular. Now, how you will remember all of these? I will take remember it by a formula, and I am writing like this, and how I will read, how I will remember this. See carefully and listen. This is P stand for perpendicular, B stand for base, H stand for hypotenuse, S stand for sine, C stand for cosine, and T stand for tangent. And we will remember it by Pandit Bhadri Prasad har har bole sona chandi tole. I am repeating again. Pandit Bhadri Prasad har har bole sona chandi tole. So the formula for the sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse, for cosine base by hypotenuse, and for tangent perpendicular by base. Now the ratios defined above are abbreviated as, abbreviated means the short form, sine A, cos A, tan A, cosecant A, secant A, and cotangent respectively. Means sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot. Now these ratios, cosecant, secant, and cotangent, are respectively the reciprocals of the ratios sine, cos, and tangent. Now if we will observe from here, tangent of A is BC by AB, BC by AB, and BC by AB can be written as BC by AC and AB by AC. What I have done, I have divided numerator as well as denominator by AC, and BC by AC, from here BC by AC is sine, and AB by AC is cosine. So I can write tangent of A is equal to sine A by cos A. Similarly, for cotangent we can write cos A by sine A. So the trigonometric ratios of an acute angle in a right triangle express the relationship between the angles and the length of the sides.